Oh yeah, I got the perfect song for the kids to sing. And all my people that...
Okay, so I am back. My hair is washed. Doesn't look that impressive. But it's okay. I actually rinsed the hair mask and my conditioner out with warm water instead of cool water because I wanted to open up my hair shaft. I'm just gonna put my hair in sections real quick and be back. So now my hair is sectioned. I had two small sections in the front. This side is smaller than this one because I want my part on this side, and I have bigger sections in the back that I'm going to be working with. So of course, first and foremost, I will be moisturizing my hair. I am using my lovely Eden Body Works Jojoba Natural Deep Conditioner. That's a little bright, but you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm taking a nice generous amount to start with. Rinsing my hair with the warm water this time. It was not hot because I don't want my curls to be dried out, but it was a little, probably like lukewarm, room temperature kind of heat going on. But I recently read about like how to rinse your hair, whether you have low porosity or high porosity or normal porosity, and it said for low porosity that you shouldn't rinse your hair with cold water, just because sometimes like the conditioner can stick in your hair and make it harder for your hair to get other moisture because it's like being coated with the conditioner that wasn't fully rinsed. But sometimes I kind of like that. Like sometimes I want the conditioner to kind of stick on my hair a little bit if I wasn't like using a leave-in conditioner or something. But yeah, so if you have low porosity and you rinse your hair with like warm water, it helps to open up your hair shafts and keep them open so that moisture can come in a lot easier. So that's why I wanted to do that. Next, I gotta get my oil. So you can definitely tell my curls got some good moisture. And last but not least, also from Eden Body Works, you guys have seen me use this in my last few videos. I'll be using the natural pudding souffle. Now I'm just going to do the same thing to the rest of my section. So now that that is done, we are moving on to styling. So today I decided that I wanted to do a braid out. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be working with the back section as one and just kind of start from the bottom and work my way up. For my gel, I usually use some styling foam, but I actually ran out and I went to the hair store to go get some, but the hair store that is close to me has ridiculous prices and I was not paying like $10 for some foam that I can get for like $5. So we're just gonna work with what I have, and I have Shea Moisture's curling gel souffle that I'm going to be using. So my hair is already detangled. I'm just gonna take some gel, run it through, and then start my braid. So yeah, I am just doing a nice regular simple braid all the way down, and I am going to seal it with a twist at the end. So I think I did between 18 to 20 braids throughout my whole head, and now I'm just going to add some jojoba oil just to lock in the shine and just keep the moisture in my braids, because I will be leaving them in for at least a few days to make sure that they're completely dry. So it's been 2 days now and my braids are completely dry. Definitely nice shine and definition to them. So I'm going to take my jojoba oil again just to moisturize my fingers and also the curls so I can reduce frizz while I'm taking out my braids. I like to start taking my braids out from the back just for personal preference, and to take them out I just unravel the braid and make sure that my fingers are coated in oil again, just to eliminate any frizz while taking the braids out. So as you guys can see, I was able to achieve some really good definition so far, and I haven't even taken the full braid out, but you guys will see that my hair is nicely defined and moisturized. So here is the braid fully unraveled and I'm nearly speechless. Like, this is the best definition I've got, and you see that one braid made so many sections and you can see the definition all throughout the curl. So now I'm just going to do the same thing and unravel all the braids, making sure to minimize any frizz while I'm taking them down. I just want to be extra careful while I'm removing these braids so I'm not ruining this definition I worked so hard to get. Just showing you guys the takedown a few more times because, guys, I am obsessed, like obsessed with this definition, and I haven't done a braid out in a really long time, so I'm really happy with these results. So now all the braids are taken out. I just like to shake my head a little bit just to loosen them up. I'm really loving these results and I cannot wait to rock this braid out. Like, there's so much definition. I am in love. So for my edges, I will be trying out the edge booster, seeing what the hype is all about. And just from first impression, it is working really well. I really slicked my hair back, and as you guys know, I have thick hair, so I was impressed at how well it slicked back before I even went to go in with my edge brush and do my edges. So I'm just laying my edges as usual. I think I got the strawberry scented kind and it smells really good. So now I'm just going to tie my edges and let that sit while I separate my curls a bit. I'm not separating all the way down. I just want to kind of fluff out my roots a bit, but I want to keep all of the definition at the ends of my hair so that this style can last longer. Then I'm going in with my pick because you guys know I love some good definition when it comes to my hairstyles, and sometimes I can lose that with my braid outs because it is a more defined hairstyle. And now these are the results. Edge booster definitely gets the okay from me. My edges look really shiny and it doesn't look like it's gonna flake at all, so I'm very happy with this braid out and this edge booster, and I think my hair turned out great. So this is the finished look. My curls are popping, and if you guys like this video and enjoyed this tutorial, please give me a big thumbs up. I'm just like so obsessed with my hair. I can't even stop looking at it because it just looks so bomb. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.